Hi students, I am Shapon sir from Arjobhatto Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss how we can find out the terminating decimal representation of rational number without division method. मतलब एक रैशनल नंबर डिवीजन फॉर्म में है, एक रैशनल नंबर टर्मिनेटिंग फॉर्म में है या नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग फॉर्म में है, वो हमको कैसे पता चल जाएगा विदाउट डिवाइडिंग इट. So without dividing the numerator by the denominator, we have to find out that which of the following rational numbers have terminating decimal representation. The following numbers is given. Number 1 देखो 7/25, number 2 पे है 17/45, number 3 79/27 and number 4 46/250. So first mind it, the formula. You can say this is a formula. If a denominator of any rational number is in the form 2 to the power m by 5 to the power n, where m and n, m may be 0, m may be 0, m and n may be 0, m 0, n may be 0, equal to 0. It may be 0 also. But other than 2 to the power m and 5 to the power n, 2 and 5 ये दोनों नंबर छोड़ के और किसी नंबर यहाँ पे रहेंगे. अदर देन 2 and 5, if there exist any number, any other number exist here in the denominator in the form of the factorization, so then that rational number will not be in the terminating form. So हमने क्या बोला कि फर्स्ट ये याद रखना होगा कि डिनोमिनेटर को ये फॉर्म में रहना चाहिए. डिनोमिनेटर को, डिनो को 2 to the power m and 5 to the power n. इट मे बी कि m 0 हो सकता है, m भी n भी कभी 0 हो सकता है, लेकिन 2 और 5, 2 और 5 ये दोनों को छोड़ के और किसी भी नंबर यहाँ पे रहेंगे, तो मतलब ये फैक्टराइज फॉर्म में आएंगे डिनोमिनेटर में, तो दैट रैशनल नंबर विल नॉट बी इन द टर्मिनेटिंग फॉर्म, दैट विल बी इन द नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग फॉर्म. सो दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. यू हैव टू, तुमको ये याद रखना होगा कि फॉर्मूला क्या है. सो 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, डिनोमिनेटर इज इन द फॉर्म 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n. ओनली इन दिस फॉर्म, इफ डिनोमिनेटर इज इन दिस फॉर्म, then the rational number will be in the terminating form. So we check it from case number 1, 7/25. Factorize 25, 5 into 5. So 25 is in the form, definitely it is in the form the 5 square, but not 2 is there, so we can write 2 to the power 0. I have told you earlier that m or n may be 0. So here m equals to 0, 2 to the power n, m equal to 0. So 5 to the power m, it belongs to the 5 to it is in the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So 7/25, it is in the form of terminating. So 7/25 has the terminating decimal representation. Next one is number 2, 17/45. This is case number 2, 17/45. Again we factorize 45. 3 15s are 45. 3 5s are 15. So 45, 3 square into 5. But what we have said, what is in the form? 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, none other than 2 and 5. 2 and 5 छोड़ के और किसी नंबर यहाँ पे रहेंगे तो वो नहीं होगा टर्मिनेटिंग फॉर्म में, नहीं होगा, वो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग फॉर्म में चला जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि अगर 3 स्क्वायर है, 5 1 है, 2 to the power 0 हम लिख सकते हैं, 2 to the power 0 मतलब 2 to the power m 5 to the power n फॉर्म में है, लेकिन इसको छोड़ के 3 स्क्वायर ये एक्स्ट्रा आ गया. सो इफ देर इज एनी एक्स्ट्रा डिजिट, एक्स्ट्रा नंबर अदर देन 2 and 5, so this will a non-terminating form. So 17 by 45 is non-terminating rational number. It is non-terminating. Okay. Next was in number 3, 79 by 27. Number 3 is 79 by 27. Similar way, factorize 27. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. So 27 is 3 cube. So we can easily say that it is a non-terminating form because 3 is there and 5 and 2 is absent. We can write 5 to the power 0 and 2 to the power 0, but it is meaningless. So 3 cube, it is a non-terminating form because there exists other than 2 and 5, 3 is existing there. So it is non-terminating form. 79 by 27 is also a non-terminating form. Non-terminating rational number. So last one is 46 by 250. Number 4. 46 by 250. Again factorize 250. 5 5s, 5 10s, 5 2s. So 250 is 2 to the power 1 into 5 cube. It is in the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So 46 by 250 is a terminating decimal form. It has terminating decimal form. So students, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press our bell icon such that you can get the updates from our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.